आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. Question is, action of soap is due to emulsification of micelle formation. Comment. Okay. So what has been asked in the question that we have to comment on the action of soap in emulsification and micelle formation. So let's see. First of all, when we talk about soap, so soap is has two groups. One is polar, which is represented as COO negative and A positive. Okay, and other group is non-polar. Non-polar. It is represented by R. They are simply hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Okay. So now soap stabilizes emulsion between oil and water. So soap stabilizes emulsion between oil and water. Soap stabilizes emulsion between oil and water. How soap does that? Let us look at some example here. Let's say this is my oil drop. Okay, now what will happen if I put this drop in a soap solution? Soap, as we already discussed, has two groups. One is non-polar, other is polar. One will gonna go to water because water is polar, and other will go to non-polar side, which is R. So we have to look at like this. Let's say this is the structure. These are the structure that will form. Okay, these are the structure, these are the micelle formation. What is happening here? The tail of it is hydrophobic, so it is going to the non-polar side, and non-polar is our oil drop. This head part is hydrophilic, so it is going into the water because it is polar. So now what will happen is these oil drops will decrease the interface. This soap will decrease the interface between water and oil. This soap will decrease the interface between water and oil, and when it will decrease the interface, oil and water will intermix. Okay, so that is what we have been asked in the question, that we have to comment on the formation of micelle. Soap is due to emulsion and micelle formation, and comment. So we have drawn this structure. This is a micelle formation. This structure is, we have already discussed, as soap will have two groups, and soap will stabilize the emulsion between oil and water. This is what will happen. This soap will decrease the interface, and oil and water will intermix. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।